Welcome to Survey Lab. Let us talk about measurement of vertical angle with theodolite. The various equipment to be used to calculate the vertical angle named is theodolite, ranging rod, leveling staff. The purpose of theodolite to calculate the horizontal angle as well as vertical angle. Now, when you are calculate the vertical angle, you can follow the vertical circle plate, ranging rod. The total height of the ranging rod is 3 meter, and leveling staff. The least count of leveling staff is 5 mm or 0.005 meter, and the total height of leveling staff is 3 to 4 meter. Now, this is the diagram of theodolite. When you are taking the vertical angle, you can follow the vertical plate. This is the altitude bubble. The purpose of altitude bubble to checking the instrument is leveled or not. This is the vertical axis. The purpose of vertical axis to telescope can be rotated about the ternion axis. This is the ternion axis. This is the vertical clamping screw. When you are taking a reading through the telescope, you can adjust the telescope with this part. This is the eyepiece. The purpose of eyepiece to focus the object and to bisect the object. This is the plate level tube. The purpose of plate level is to check the instrument is leveled or not. This is the upper plate and this is the lower plate. And the purpose of tri-bar batch is all the components are rest on tri-batch plate. Now this is a leveling screw. There are the 3 leveling screw. This is the tripod head and this is the tripod lens. Instrument can be pivoted on the tripod stand. Now, after that, to taking a field observation readings in field, this is the ground point. At this point, to set up the instrument, centering it, leveling it, and focusing it. After that, this is the A and B is the tower height, and this axis is a horizontal axis of the instrument. And reading is 0 degree. Now loose this vertical clamping screw and turn the telescope in downward direction and calculate the reading alpha 1. After that, you can turn the telescope in upward direction and sight the point of B and calculate the alpha 2. After that, you can add up the alpha 1 plus alpha 2 is equal to the included angle between B, O, A. Now fill this value in this table. Now we can calculate the vertical angle like tower, building height, tree height with this equipment. This equipment is named by theodolite. This is a tripod stand. Now when you are taking a vertical angle, you can use this vertical circle and neglect horizontal circle plate, and this is a horizontal bubble tube. When the instrument is leveled, the bubble is fully centered in bubble tube. Now you can see in bubble tube, bubble is fully centered in between the 2 middle line. That means our instrument is fully leveled. After leveling the instrument, you can set the reading 00 in vernier C. With this screw, you can lose this screw and set the reading in window C. When the reading is 00, means our horizontal axis is straight. You can tighten this screw and sight the corner point of the building. When the corner point of the building is bisected, that means this point our reading is 0. Now after that you can unclamp this screw and side the lower bottom point of the building. This reading is alpha 1. After that you can unclamp the screw again. You can side the top point of the building. When the top point of the building is bisected through eyepiece, that reading is alpha. You can subtract the value alpha minus alpha 1 is equal to the value of alpha 2.